Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing of this particular kitchen over here. So let's continue it. So let's just open up a reference over here. I'll slightly, alright. So let's go into this. So few things are left, like we'll be just texturing this as well. So again I'll go into this. I'll assign the same shader which we have assigned over here. So let's just assign one material to it. So I have just assigned the same material over here. Let's select this and this. These are the knobs. Again I'll go down. I'll take a V-Ray material. We can assign a color over here. We can assign a black color on it and slightly can add some roughness. Select this. So we can give some color to it over here. So I can again add a V-Ray light material and I can add some color to it. Okay, looks better. Select the glasses. For the glass, you can again go into this. Let's make it as a glass material. Refract, I'll make it as white. And IOR I can give it as 1.8. Diffuse I can just slightly make it as a bit white over here as required. So what are elements which are left out, we can just give the material on it. Same for this. The same handles you can just give, and for this I'll give a metal over here. You can just assign one material to it. So we can easily assign a material over here as well. Alright. So select this. Again let's go into the material. Can assign a wood shader over here and let's go into this and let's give a UVW map. So we have assigned a UVW map in this way. Alright. So for this, again, we'll just assign the same material, and for the bottle, we can give some other shader. So let's give some color to it. Go into the reflect, we can add some reflect color, and to the refract as well. Alright. So you can just click on the render and see once how it's going to look like. You can just render it once and see. Okay, looks better. If you don't need that much of reflections, you can off it. So you can off the reflections accordingly. Alright. So for walls as well, we can slightly reduce the reflections. So these are, I guess, the. So let's go into this. We can reduce it to very less. The reflections over here. Alright. So select this. If needed, we can keep it, or I'll just remove this. Not required. Okay. So we can again switch back to the camera view once again, and let's render it again. You can put something on the top. So let's take a box. So assign a material and let's push it up. So for this, we'll assign a metal material. So again, I can go into this. Let's take a V-Ray material over here and let's assign a color. Let's give some reflections, reduce the glossiness and assign it. So let's render it once over here. Okay, it's very reflective. So I can slightly just reduce it. It's looking very reflective. Again, go into the material. Now let's render it once again. Alright, this looks a bit better. Alright. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So we'll start up with the lighting over here for this kitchen in the coming tutorial. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.